friends, and welcome back to my channel. For everyone who's new, I'm the vegan bossa. Today I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite breakfast recipes. It's such an easy to prepare recipe and it's very tasty and delicious and is fully packed with proteins, which makes it the perfect breakfast before going to fitness. So guys, have a look at it. For today's recipe we are gonna need half cup of chickpea flour, half cup of vegan milk, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, some turmeric, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, some colorful tomatoes, 1 spring onion, half of avocado, some fresh parsley, and some olive oil. First, we are gonna clean and chop the spring onion. Chop it in small pieces. This is very important. We are gonna fill our omelette with it. And then clean and cut the tomatoes into halves. I'm gonna use 2 types of tomatoes, red and yellow ones, to balance their acidity and sweetness. Then I'm gonna cut the avocado into halves, and this is a perfect avocado, guys. Then I'm gonna dice it, making some horizontal and vertical lines, and with the help of a spoon I'm gonna scoop the flesh out. Then I'm gonna take some fresh parsley and chop it finely. After preparing our veggies, we are gonna take a mixing bowl and we're gonna add all the ingredients, starting first with the chickpea flour and the nutritional yeast. Then continue with some salt, some black pepper, and some turmeric. Turmeric is very important because it will give that yellow color. Then add the apple cider vinegar and the milk, vegan milk. Give it a good stir, and now it's ready to be fried. Take a non-stick pan and brush some olive oil into it. You can put as much olive oil as you wish, but I use just a little bit of olive oil. And then pour the omelette batter in the pan. With a spatula, spread it uniformly. Very important for this step, you have to keep your flame low medium. Don't go for a high flame because the omelette will burn. Then put the veggies on the middle of the omelette like I did in here. Wait a few minutes and then fold it and let it cook a little bit further. And here we go, guys. Serve this omelette with some fresh salad, arugula, and tomatoes. It's a fantastic breakfast, really. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.